Welcome to this Bybit trading tutorial for beginners, where you will learn the basics of trading on the Bybit platform. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Bybit website. Click on the Sign Up button, enter your email address and password, and complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your account using a variety of payment methods, including cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. Next, navigate to the trading interface, where you will see a chart displaying the current market price of the asset you want to trade. To place a trade, select the type of order you want to use, such as a limit order or a market order. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell an asset, while a market order executes the trade at the current market price. For example, if you want to buy 1 Bitcoin at a price of $20,000, you would select the limit order option and enter the price and quantity. If the market price reaches $20,000, your trade will be executed. It is also important to understand the concept of leverage, which allows you to trade with more funds than you have in your account. However, using leverage can increase your potential losses, so it is essential to use it wisely. Another key concept is risk management, which involves setting stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. A stop loss is an order that automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain price, while a take profit is an order that closes a trade when it reaches a certain profit level. To set a stop loss and take profit, navigate to the order panel and select the stop loss and take profit options. Enter the price levels at which you want to close the trade, and the platform will automatically execute the order when the market price reaches those levels. Finally, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and trends, and to continuously educate yourself on trading strategies and risk management techniques. By following these steps and best practices, you can start trading on Bybit with confidence and make informed decisions about your investments.